So in the lecture 3 of 3, we have to see the enterprise and personal communication network, and we have to see the hardware that is being involved. So make sure that the lecture is being recorded. Now yes, it is going to be recorded. So enterprise personal communication network, it is very essential to know about the hardware which is being used. So backbone of the network, a transmission facility designed to move data and information at high speed. So this is the main motive of the network channels, that data should be in a more physical way, having the good speed. So a modem, a device that connects a computer to communication medium, translates data information from computer to in the to form, and can be transmitted over the channels used in WANs as well. So basically the modem provides facility to modulate. It works like modulation and demodulation. It modulates the signals from digital to analog and analog to digitals as well. So multiplexer, a device that converts data from digital to analog form, vice versa, in order to allow the signal communication channel carry the simultaneous data transmission from the many terminals that are sharing the channel. So basically, there in our computer there is a network interface card which is connected to the modem, or the modem is directly installed in the previous versions of the computers. But nowadays, the network interface card is there and it is connected to the local area networks. A circuit board used in LANs to transmit the digital information for data or information by using the network interface cards. We can connect the local area network. For example, these are the personal modems, DSL, digital subscriber line, and fixed telephone. So it can be accessed anywhere in the public, and the internet can also be uh, provided by the telephone company offices. So this is known as the subscriber level as well. So switched multi-megabit data service. Now central office is there, central office is there. The main thing is that the switched multi-time megabit data service is there. So SMDS is also abbreviated like this. So the main purpose is local area network. We have another local area network, but it works centrally. Router is there, STM is there. These interfaces works from here to here and from here to here. So both networks can be connected at any part of the uh, we can say of the world. So this is the basic mechanism. Now mobiles have the different frequency. They can be connected. Laptops have the different frequency. They can be connected. And the tablet phones, the local offices have the different connectivity. So according to their frequencies, they are connected because mobile has to follow the Bluetooth signals, and the laptop has to follow. Now this is the device through which it can access. Now it can be our Evo, it can be our mobile communications, some of the hotspots, or some of means the frequency matching is done by these companies. So the magic is there. Therefore, public switched telephone networks, local offices provides us this type of the facility to use them. So in the virtual private network, we have the VPN. This is the access point. This is the access point. Now, intruder does not come in that particular type of the area that it can access our privacy or it can block our privacy. For example, we have the Wi-Fi and we have a secure phosphorus so no one can enter. But it is not, if it is not secure, then it is not a virtual private network. So the network operating system basically provides these facilities. That's why there is some basic knowledge that is to be delivered in this lecture. A software program that runs conjunction with the computer's operating system applications program manage the network. Now, actually, this is the wholly solely responsibility of the operating system in order to understand the computer's resources and how these are to be shared within the users. So it manages not only the network, but it manages according to the policies that are being assigned to the network operating system. For example, we have the load taken the load some of the um, package into our some service like a mobile and Q phone, Dalinar, whatever the company has. Now, network operating system has given that to connect up to these megabits. This is the subscriber. So there is an application that particular type of the networks operating system that has to handle all the protocols. So protocols are the rules and regulations conveyed, guided to the communication embedded coded instruction in the network software. So accordingly, they have to work, and you have been provided is into the Zabbix, your roll numbers, and you can access the computers as well into the labs. So this is one of the example of the network operating system. So network administration and network management, the management of the network consisting of those procedures or services to keep the network running properly. Actually, this is a long lasting that network is to be repaired if it is broken, if we are facing some difficulties to access the network service, then distortion of the voice or the distortion of the data or these problems may occur. So in the enterprise architecture, for example, police has a ERP, means entity resource planning, and other departments have the ERPs. They have all the information. Taxation departments have the ERP. So they have the different ERPs of their whole officials. So, in order to run that particular type of the ERPs, there is a centralized architecture, a communication architecture in which computers at central site host the network hardware, software performs all the processing and manages the network as well. So, host-based computing is a centralized computing. Therefore, we can say that there is a central computer which has to cover in all over the country. Means the uh, central architecture has to provide access to each and locate the each location as well. So in the teleprocessing, the processing capability made possible by the connecting desktop computers to a remote computer through telephone lines. As I have discussed earlier, that through the telephone lines, one computer to another computer we can connect. For example, we have access that one computer has been connected with our Wi-Fi device, our modem, DSL modem, and another is in another city. Wi-Fi modem is used. So through the Wi-Fi modem, several devices can be connected. Either it is PC, personal computer, either it is workstation, either it is mobile. So the teleprocessing provides these facilities. So here we can see that this is the mechanism that this is the centralized server in the country and lots of the clients can be connected. So the hybrid network is that a communication artwork architecture that combines centralized and distributed architectures to advantage of the strength of both as well. So in that particular type of the area, we can see the centralized distributed architectures take advantages not only the decentralized or the centralized, all these facilities are available in that particular type of the network. So virtual company, a company that joins with another company operationally but not physically to design, manufacture a product, means a company that, for example, the online shopping is a company that they do not manufacture but they sell the goods. So through the virtually we are going to select that this product is our order and this product can be delivered to that type of particular address that is being provided. So in that hybrid architecture is like that, that PC is not directly controlled by the mainframe computers and terminals controlled by the mainframe computers there. So in that way, that these two, if the architectures are combined, is are known as hybrid. So this is all about the assignment. Now, hopefully, the assignments are very much clear and sent to me. Now, I think the whole of the concept are clear. What are the networks? What are the hardware? What is the software? What are the web-based applications? And rest of the things are now quite clear. So thank you very much for your active listening.